Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Regarding the concept of God, the misconception that we're going to discuss today is the commonplace cliche or the commonplace sentence that if everything has a creator, then who created God? Who is the creator of God? Now, this question is primarily based on a fallacy, and the words of this statement actually need to be revised and they need to be changed. It is not at all true to say that everything has a creator. What can be said is that every creature or every created thing has a creator. So, for example, when we see a chair or we see a table, we of course realize that there must be someone, some carpenter, for example, who must have built these things. Similarly, when we see a building, we come to realize that this building, the way in which it displays itself, the way in which we see it, it necessarily entails that there must be someone who had built it. So therefore, we go after the builder of that building. In a similar way, there are a number of things which we see, and for example, when we see this universe, of course, the universe itself is made of such form and structure that it cannot have originated of its own self, and we are led to find its creator, and therefore we reach God as a result. However, the fact whether God is created or not is something it is not relevant, because since we cannot see God, and the Quran says that it's not humanly possible in this world to see God, so therefore we cannot decide at all whether God is created or not. Whether God is created or not, we need to see Him to decide and to judge whether He is someone who has been created by someone. So therefore, this question does not arise and should not arise in the minds of people in these times when they are not able to see God. Creating someone is, of course, an act of invention, of creativity, and this is something which has to be evident. And if we go behind the question, then of course this question has to be reformed and rephrased. And the fact that we say that everything has a creator, this is a wrong statement. If we correct the statement, then the correct statement would be every created thing has a creator. Every creature has a creator. Whether God is created by someone or not, we cannot decide unless we see God and make up our mind by seeing Him if He has been created or not. So therefore, this question will only arise when we are able to see God. And since we are not able to see God in this world, this question should be dismissed summarily. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر الله لي ولكم ولسائر المسلمين والمسلمات.